Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. This is the user guide for AnyLoca on PC. AnyLoca is the reliable and powerful iPhone location chainer on Windows and Mac systems that can be utilized in a wide range of applications, such as mobile games and social apps. In today's video, I will show you how to change iPhone location using the joystick on AnyLoca. First, connect your iPhone to PC and launch AnyLoca. From the homepage, click the Start button, then select your iPhone and hit Next. Next, we need to turn on Developer Mode. From the map, choose the last function, joystick on the top right corner. You can set up a reasonable speed and drag the joystick. If you'd like to auto-move in a fixed direction, drag the joystick to the outer ring, or click the direction inside the outer ring. Now you can move to anywhere you want without actually moving.